What's going on, everyone? Today we are doing a cabin filter in a 2020 Ford Ranger. Okay, so we're gonna need to lower the glove box to get back to the cabin filter, and all we gotta do is take the glove box door and pull it towards us. And see this, there's a stopper right up in there. We need to pull this, push the glove box down a little bit on both sides to get the glove box door to fall down. Okay, glove box door will fall down, kind of crush the new filter a little bit. But the filter is located in this compartment here. I'm gonna take the door off. We're just gonna go over here to the right, and we're gonna squeeze these clips together and pull the door off. On the left side, you can see that it's like slotted. Okay, so just remember that when you go to put this back in. Put that down right there. And this cabin filter is gonna be kind of gross because this car, you can tell, it's a smoker's car, so it's a little dirty. You got to change these things a little more often than people that don't smoke. So, but let's go ahead and get this guy out. It's gonna look like a cigarette filter probably. And when we pull it out, notice that this says airflow down. Okay, and this thing is heavy and it is dirty. Okay, we'll get our new one, and we are looking for airflow down. Okay, let's see how this is. Airflow up, airflow down, and replace it just like this way, long ways. And if you need a filter, I'm going to leave the part number and a link in the description box below if you need a filter, so check that out. It takes you to Amazon, or you can pick one up really quick. Put the glove box door back on. All we got to do is just push it back on there. And I don't know if I talked about this before, but this bracket here is for a damper that dampens the glove box. This one doesn't have it, so I really couldn't show you how you disconnect it. But when you, if yours does have it, you'll know when you go to pull the glove box down, it's going to get kind of hung up. Okay, and you're going to have to figure out how to take that apart. But this one doesn't have it. All we have to do now is just close the glove box, and we're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Rudy.